So in this question, we have two functions given, function f and function g. Function f is exponential, function g logarithmic. So what do we need to do? We have to write the function, and that's what they are saying in terms of x in its simplest form. What does that mean? Normally, I have g, and in bracket here, what do we have? X, isn't it? But they are saying, no, 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 no. In place of x, so here, sub in function f of x. That's basically what it means. Okay, so let's do that. So that means ln, and instead of x here, we're going to put e to the power of 9 over x. Okay, so first thing is done, but now we have to do it in its simplest form. So the question is, what can we do here? Well, can we change the square root? Can we write it in a different form? We go to our table, and we are saying, okay, how do I deal with the root? So here we have the formulas, and is one of those formulas here is telling me that when I have a square root, or can be any root, not necessarily square, it could be cubic as well, or fourth, or fifth, or 100, we can change that to a fraction. Okay, so let's do that. So that means ln, and instead of square root, we will take that to the power of a fraction 1 over 2. Okay, so the first change is done. Then the next, can I do something about those powers? So again, I go to my table and I see, what do I do with powers like that? I multiply them. Okay, so that means we can write that ln e, and we multiply 9 by a half. What do we get? 4.5 x. And this is really how far we can go. Now, the other thing we could do, maybe not take that to, not multiply those powers, but we could take that in front. How do I know that? Look at that. There is another formula that is saying if your product is taken to power, you can take it in front. So we could write a half ln e 9 to the power of x. Any of those answers is acceptable. Any way you wanted to do it, that will work. The point was here that you did some change, that you apply some of those formulas from the table.